Here we are, Sturgeon River. Looks like a USFS campground in the Ottawa National Forest. This is us coming in off the forest road. This is really just a single loop. You'll see there's a sign that shows mixed use cars and ATVs. Can use ATVs in and out of this campground to access the trails. Here's a bulletin board. The thing I want to note about this campground that's pretty interesting is it's free. So you can see OHV use is permitted, and there's the bulletin board. We did come here one night and the campsites were all full. We ended up staying somewhere else and then coming back. So now we'll kind of cruise through the campground. I saw 8 sites. Most people are saying 7. The website says 9. So we got here on a Sunday and got a pretty good site. Site number 1 right here, which is labeled right there. Haven't walked it. So I don't know how long the trail is to the river. There's site number 2. So if I kind of stop there, site 2, and then you'll pan through. There's just one circular road. That's it. We're at site 3. I can tell you site 3 does have a path down to the Sturgeon River. So as you can see there's our site.
Just getting to the campground, and this riverfront site was open. We grabbed it as fast as we could. It's a beautiful site. There's a little pathway right back here that goes down to the river. You can see the fire pit, a little hook to hang your lantern or whatever. Big site.
Site number 4, which gets interesting right here, because there's no post here on this one. You can see here there's no post, but there is a picnic table. There's no post saying what number campsite it is. There's a fire pit, picnic table, and a light post. So that one's in the middle, no river access. Site number 4, I believe all the other ones have river access when you're coming from our right. That was site number 4. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. That must have been site 5 in the middle, because now you go right to 6. 6 is a nice site. 3 seems to be the most private. Then you got site number 6, or number 7. That was 6. 7 and 8 are right on the river. Right on the river. So like their views aren't walking down a path or nothing. They're just walking right to the back of their site and getting it. So that was 7 and this is 9. So you can notice the numbering is a little off because someone said they got rid of some sites. We're almost done with the circle already. There's the vault toilets. No water here. No garbage. So we'll just circle right back around. And this is where we came in. There's the bulletin board. So again, this is a free campground. First come, first serve. Beautiful campground. We're here today is October 2nd. And it's yesterday my car read as high as 88 degrees. So the phone said it was only in the low 80s, but the bugs are still bad. And within a few days, the temperatures are really going to drop. So we're here to see some colors, do some riding, see some sights. So there's the board, and there we go right back around again to site number 1. Just remember, free campground, which is awesome. No water, no pump water, no nothing. Vault toilets. And no garbage. You take in what you take out. So there's site number 1. And back around we go.
Wow, Sturgeon River Campground. This campground is located on the Sturgeon River near Sturgeon River Gorge Wilderness. This free campground offers very limited services. At the time of our stay, it offered pit or vault toilets, no garbage and no water. Let's just enjoy the beauty of this area for one moment. This is a truly gorgeous area of the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Just a little of what this area offers might include some great off-road riding, scenic hiking and waterfalls, fishing and other river activities to just enjoying the wonderful nature. Keep in mind, this is a first come, first served campground and was full at least half the time we were there. So make sure you have alternative plans just in case. Thank you for stopping in. Till the next time.